What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade, or in my case downgrade, the RAM or memory of your iMac. This method will work with any aluminum unibody iMac made after the mid-2011 model. Now if you haven't yet, first you need to make sure that you are using or have purchased the correct type of RAM. We'll need to get the exact model of the iMac, and we'll need to do this by heading over to the Apple icon on the top left corner of your screen and going to About This Mac. Then right below the OS version, you're gonna see this line right here, and in my case it says the iMac Retina 5K 27-inch 2017 model. I'm gonna right click and copy that, and then I'm gonna Google that exact phrase. Now my favorite resource to use is EveryMac. It usually comes up very prominently in the search results, and in this case it's right here, everymac.com. So I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna head right down to the RAM section. Now not only does it show me the type of RAM here, which I'll copy, but it also tells me what the maximum RAM is. And if you notice here, it says 64 gigabytes with an asterisk there, and that's because Apple recommends 32 GB of RAM. However, OWC, which is a site sponsor of EveryMac, I guess, has tested it beyond that and has proven that 64 gigabytes actually work. So basically, if you guys want to max out your iMac, you go with that maximum number with this type. So I'm going to take that type that I just copied, and then I'm going to head over to Amazon, and I'm going to paste it in where I'll get a bunch of options. Now, like I said, 64 gigs is the maximum. Here you see there's some 16 gig versions, 32 gigs. Somewhere along the way, I could probably find some 64, or I can just order 2 pairs of the 32 gigabyte kits. So that'll total 64 gigabytes because as we look back here, it'll show right here that the iMac comes with 4 RAM slots. So up to 4 chips can fit in there, and as you can see, this set comes with 2, so you can order 2 of these, for example, or perhaps 2 of these, or any other 32 gigabyte option that has 2 sticks. If you order 2 of those, then you would be getting 4 sticks, and that'll total the maximum 64 gigabytes that are recommended. Now that we know the type of RAM that the computer uses, and you have hopefully purchased it by now we can go over and install the RAM. Now the first thing we're going to need to do is remove all dongles and cables, including the power cable from your iMac. Next, we need to lay a soft towel flat on the table or desk because now we are going to flip the iMac with its face down. And of course, we don't want that screen to get scratched. Right above the power connector, there is a small button, which I push using this small wooden skewer thing. I recommend a flat, either wood or plastic tool because using metal may scratch this beautiful work of art. Pushing this button will slightly lift the cover to the memory slots, then pull the 2 grayish tabs apart, which dislodges the RAM, and if necessary, remove the old RAM by sliding each stick straight out. Now you're ready to install the new RAM. These sticks will slide in the same way the others came out. Make sure you've got the small metal contacts facing the right direction and push the sticks right in firmly. Once the new RAM is in, firmly but carefully push down and swing the RAM into place. You should feel a small click as the 2 grayish tabs are back in place. Now, firmly push the door back into place the same way you removed it. And finally, you're ready to power up your Mac. Reinsert all the necessary cables and press the power button. The final step is to verify that the RAM was recognized by the computer. Now, once your Mac is turned on and you see your desktop, we're going to verify this by going up to the Apple icon, going to About This Mac, head over to the Memory tab, and right here you'll see all your RAM, and if the numbers match what you've installed, then you've successfully installed this RAM and your computer has recognized it. So there you go guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications of future videos and live streams. Thanks for watching guys.